WordPress got its start as a blogging platform, and to this day, it's still incredibly useful as a content management system, or CMS. Using Claude, setting up a blog is easier than ever. Let me show you. Find prompt 10 in the prompt pack and go ahead and copy it. Return to Claude and paste it in. There's not much here that you need to modify, but go ahead and read through it to make sure you understand it. Then submit it. And like all our other requests, after a few minutes, it finishes. So let's go check it out. We'll refresh the page. And there's a blog. Here's our first post. This is just a placeholder post to get us started, but you can see we already have the style of everything baked in here, so any future blogs we post will match how everything on the website looks, giving everything a cohesive, consistent aesthetic. To create a new blog post, simply hover over the new button in the top bar and then click Post. Or to edit your current post, click Edit Post in the top bar, and that'll take you to this Gutenberg editor. It looks a little bit different than the Elementor editor. It's designed to be a little simpler, but editing in it is super simple. Just click the plus button to add elements, and then you can add paragraphs, images, headings, and much more from here. Whenever you're done editing a blog post, click Save. If you've just been watching and you haven't been following along step by step, it's time to build. Use the link on screen or the one in the description to claim an additional 10% off any Hostinger plan and get your site started. Thanks for watching. Now go build something awesome.